Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you this 300 bar and 4,500 psi high pressure compressor. It's auto stop version. You can see this panel and push button on off and pressure adjust screw, and in this we have a SSR, which is solid state relay that may accomplish the auto stop. You can see the main body, the first stage, second stage, air inlet filter, and these two are water pipe connect to the water pump in the water bucket. 5,000 psi pressure gauge, and this is filter bucket and the relief valve. And please make sure you add some lubricated oil before you use this machine. See, add oil in this hole to the red spot, and then put a breeze nozzle on. Okay. And I use this little tank usually for PCP paintball tank. I use this and the diving valve and adapting just for demonstration. And you make sure the ding is with quick connect, female quick connect. And also we will have double male connect. Yes, we connect to the compressor. After I turn on this machine, the pressure guide will point to 3,000 psi or 4,000 psi. And this tank, we will fill it just about 5 minutes. And when the tank is full, and the machine is stopped automatically. Okay. After using this machine, we should take this water pipe first. Of course, take off the plug. Take off this water pipe first, and take off this water pipe. This is auto stop model. We call it SCU60. And if you have any question, you can email me, or you want to purchase this product on Amazon or on eBay, just email me. I will give you 5% discount. Thanks for watching.